Go to Iowa City. Emily, you had the chance today to speak with some folks in Iowa City about their reactions to this decision today.
Colin, despite this ruling, Planned Parenthood says they are not going to give up. They're going to continue to treat and give access to care to their patients however that they can.
Abortion remains safe and legal in Iowa today, and Planned Parenthood's doors remain open.
Life matters. And that's what the Iowa Supreme Court said today. Constitutional law matters, and there's no right to an abortion in our Constitution.
After the Iowa Supreme Court reinstated a 24-hour abortion waiting period, different groups are reacting to the news. The Family Leader, a religious activist group, says the ruling reflects how Iowans feel, based on the officials that they elect.
And so now it puts it back in the hands of the people of Iowa where it should be, along with their elected representatives.
Planned Parenthood and ACLU were plaintiffs in the case. They say the ruling does not reflect Iowans after a Des Moines Register poll last year found 57% of Iowans supported abortion access.
This is inconsistent with the way that most Iowans understand their own rights. We know that the right to abortion is essential to freedom, equality, health, and safety. We also know that the majority of Iowans support abortion rights.
Sheena Dooley with Planned Parenthood says it's time for Iowans to vote and let their voices be heard before it's too late.
Now is the time that Iowans need to do everything they possibly can to have their voices heard. Iowans need to march, mobilize, organize, text, call, write, do anything and everything we possibly can to protect our reproductive freedom that's now hanging by a thread.
While CEO of the Family Leader, Bob Vanderplatz, believes Iowans have already done that, resulting in the ruling.
They saw that court being activist in nature, and so they saw judicial activism, and they saw that it's not common sense, it's not American, it's not Iowan to believe that there's a right to abortion in our Constitution.
For Planned Parenthood, the fight isn't over, it's only just begun.
Planned Parenthood and ACLU both plan to bring back this case to the courts when they can. But in the meantime, the 24-hour waiting period is back into effect. And all abortions were canceled today by Planned Parenthood so they could abide by this new law. Live in Iowa City, Emily Moss, News 7 KWWL.
All right, Emily, thank you. And you can find more information on that ruling right now on our website, kwwl.com. And right now,